you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
Get your leg torn off, whole head blown.
The brag, but on the shit. Down.
What's running here, man?
Two Sundown U15s on a Incriminator audio IX 6.1.
Yeah, it's a big boy app. It's a big app.
Yeah.
Appreciate it, man. Are you on social media anywhere they can follow you?
Just Facebook.
Okay, what can I find you on there?
Justin Keithley.
Hey, y'all be sure to give him a follow. Appreciate it, bro.
Well,
I'm gonna leave you listen to you can find your video on there.
Appreciate it.
Thanks, man. You still rolling? Yeah, it's still rolling. Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me? All right, so appreciate it, man. Tell
And you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.